Hi, yes, okay, so it's been a couple of weeks and the drone results on the winner who has won the drone are in. So the following people, these comments here, these are the people I say, did you even watch the video? You are obviously easily deleted from the competition, process of elimination. Let's start with the easy ones, get rid of the people who didn't actually watch the video. The next few to go, while some of the comments were, I guess, okay, they just weren't what we're looking for. And this guy, straight up e-begging for it. Nope, you're all cut. Sorry. I mean, look, if you've got a drone already at 720p, just go ahead and get the GTI Spark. You know if you want one or not. Who am I UK? You don't upload enough, unfortunately, and the style isn't matching. Stevie T, I know you'd fly it once and put it away in its box. I'll tell you what, when I come up and see you again this year, we'll bring my proper drone and we'll play with that. Um, Alright, finally. More along the lines. These people, yeah, this is it. This is more like it. Yeah, yeah, this is along the lines. This is nice. Along the lines, yeah. Yeah, this is definitely along the lines of what we want this drone used for, definitely. Yep, definitely as well. This one's good as well. I like shutting down airports. Let's just scrub out Phil 480 because he had one of the drones and he got rid of it. So look, you're either gonna get rid of this drone and go up in size like what I did, or you're gonna get it, think it's a neat toy, play with it around for a bit and sell it. So you got to go big or go home. I went big. Phil went home. Okay, let's give it to Adam. I don't think he deserves it, but yeah. All right, that's it. Uh, he wins. All right. If you're wondering why I picked Adam, he does. He's a smaller YouTuber. He's whatever, but he's doing videos that aren't that traditional. I'm riding. Here's the road, and this is me waffling on about something. Oh, don't get me wrong. He does that too, but he does some other videos as well, which don't involve even a bike in some of the videos. So yeah, it's just kind of interesting to see what he would do with this drone. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and who knows? Maybe I'll get a bigger drone. No, I'm not going to get a bigger drone. This Spark's plenty fine for me for now. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and when I'm not dead, or dead tired of work, I might get around to uploading another video. Okay, the dice has spoken.